Welcome to Flexibilities, an online flexibility training program designed for dancers, figure skaters, and gymnasts. In today's video, I am going to show you a back stretching routine for beginners. Start on your hands and knees and begin with the cat-cow position to warm up the back. Press your chest down and look up. Then pull the stomach in and curl your back. Now repeat this exercise 10 times. Up next, we are doing isolated back rotations on your hands and knees. Rotate your back once to the right, then to the left, and repeat this exercise 10 times alternating sides. Up next, lay down on your stomach and get ready for seal stretches. Start by placing your hands flat on the ground next to your chest, then press up and look at the ceiling, then lay back down, and repeat this stretch 10 times. Now we are going to do a stretch to work on the upper back and shoulder area. Hold on to the edge of your mat like this so that your hands don't slide. Then press the chest down and hold. We are going to do 3 sets of 10 seconds. Moving on to the next stretch. Start in a seal stretch position, then press up into a downward dog pose, and go back to a seal stretch. This counts as 1, and we are going to repeat this exercise 10 times. Now let's do it together. Flex the feet so that the balls of your feet are pressing into the floor, then arch up and come up into a downward dog position, then go back down to a seal stretch. Repeat this 9 more times. Sit back into a child's pose position to relax the back. For this next exercise, you are going to need a yoga wheel, but I will show variations if you don't have one. Start by placing the yoga wheel behind your lower back. Then lean back and arch the back as much as you can. If possible, reach both arms up and over your head like this and try to relax. If you don't have a yoga wheel, you can also use a medicine ball or a foam roller. These also work great. Now let's do it together. We are going to hold this stretch for 3 sets of 20 seconds. Get ready to do the next one. Only one more to go. Now we are going to roll out the back on your yoga wheel, foam roller, or medicine ball. Start by placing the yoga wheel underneath your upper back. Then slowly extend your legs so that the wheel rolls to your lower back and then hold the stretch. We are going to repeat this exercise 10 times. Now let's do it together. I really enjoy this stretch because it also massages out my back, especially when you use a yoga wheel. Remember to hold the upper back stretch for 2 seconds before you roll out to the lower back and hold for another 2 seconds. Go slow and take your time. Moving on to bridges. Lay down on your back and place the hands on the floor, then press up into a bridge position and try to hold for 10 seconds. Don't worry if you cannot lift your head fully off the ground yet. Just keep trying and you will eventually get there. Now let's do it together. Get ready for the first 10-second hold. Lay down and take a short break. Then get ready for bridge number 2. Bridge number 2. Here we go. Lay down and get ready to do one more bridge after this short rest. Get ready to press up into the final bridge. Moving on to the final stretch, knee arches. Start by placing your hands on your lower back / the top of your butt. Then press your hips forward and lean back as far as you can. Start by looking at the ceiling, and if you are comfortable, you can drop the head and try to look at the wall behind you. We are going to repeat this stretch 3 sets of 10 seconds. Now let's do it together. Take a 10-second break and get ready to repeat 2 more times. Get ready to repeat this stretch 1 more time and push yourself as far as you can. That's all for today's beginner back flexibility routine. Great job, and see you next time.